Sayan Chakraborty of class 7 from Nityam Academy. I hope you all are well. We know that we are suffering through a condition coronavirus means COVID-19. Through it, I dedicated a speech about Rabindranath Tagore. I am glad to give a speech on this auspicious day. My topic is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a great Indian poet. He was born on 7th May in 1861 at Jorasagar in Kolkata. He was born in the rich and cultured family. His parents were Maharishi Devendranath and Sarada Devi. He was very much interested in writing a poem from an early age. When he was just 14 years old, he began writing poetry that his mother did in 1875. He took his early education at home. The private teachers were there to educate him. He never attended the school. However, he went to England for higher studies. He went to England in 1878 to study law, and he returned without complete the study and started his career as a poet and writer. He translated his work Gitanjali into English during the time when he was in England. He was awarded the Nobel Prize on Literature within the year his Gitanjali was published. He was mentioned the mysticism and sentimental beauty of India culture in his writing, for which a non-Western was honored with prestigious author first time. Together with being a renowned poet, he was also a genius writer, novelist, visual artist, composer, playwright, and philosophy. He was having a good command of many languages. He can write poetry and stories. He was a good philosophy through which he has influenced a huge range of India people during the freedom struggle. It is unforgettable contributions toward the Indian literature. The two songs from his Rabindra Sangeet were more famous as they are the national anthem of two countries, such as Amar Sonar Bangla, national anthem of Bangladesh, and Jana Gana Mana Adi, national anthem of India. His great writing in the form of poem or stories are unchallenged even today. Perhaps he was the first who filled the gaps between the West and East through his effective writing. He traveled in many countries of Europe, America, and Asia, and also delivered many literature in universal and in public meeting on education. Together with Gandhi, he had thought of the welfare of the people of India. His nationalism and patriotism made him great and noble. Most of his writings were based on the life of people of Bengal. Another writing named Kalpagucha was a collective of stories based on the poverty, backwardness, and illiteracy of the Indian people. Other poetry collections are like Sonatari, Kalpana, Chitra, Naividya, etc. And novels are like Ghora, Chitra Gadda, and Rani, etc. He was a very religious and spiritual man, which helped him a lot in the days of the series. Rabindranath can be compared with Rabindranath himself, as he was considered the great figure in the modern India Renaissance. We look up him as the source of beauty and knowledge, and as he inspirations of all noble truth and great idea. Rabindranath is no more with us, but his ideas will continue to inspire and encourage the whole of humanity in the days to come. He died on 7 August in 1941 in Kolkata before seeing India's independence. Thank you very much.